Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove repeater on Wix. Let's get started. So as of right now, you can see in here the repeater that I have. So if you want to remove that, you can just click on the specific repeater and then just click on the delete button on your keyboard. So if you actually want to delete one option or only one item on a specific repeater, like for example, you want to remove this specific person. So what you can do is you can click on the box right here, and then this will open the repeater option. So click on manage items, and then once you have done that, you can see the items. So the item 1 is this one, item 2 is this one, item 3 is this, item 4 is the last one. So since you want to remove this specific person, which is the item 3, you can just click on that, click on the 3 dot, and click on the delete option right here. So let's try to click on that. Then as you can see, this specific person has been deleted right here. So as you can see, it looks like this right now. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to remove repeater on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.